Miles, you're dumb as shit.
There's a mouse.
Yeah. Here, move. All right. Lights off. Lights off. Lights off. Wait. What the fuck? Look, there's a light on.
What the hell?
There is. Go down.
It's weird as shit.
Make sure it's... What is it?
It's just a light. There's some power connected to it.
What the?
What? Dude, it's like going in Narnia.
Yeah. This is so weird. Wanna go out?
Yeah.
Let's go out.
You wanna go?
Sure.
Damn. This is fucking fun.
We're good, boys.
What? We can get all the way to the top. Shit, I think we can do a few. Do you wanna go back in or? I don't think so. I wanna.
I was at 12 actually.
We're just right there.
Yeah.
Dude.
When I said that if you got up here, it could probably be in.
Oh, boys, car. Chester, down. Mac, car. Miles, car. Get. Miles, you're dumb as shit. Let's go. Go. Wait, never mind. Stay. He's looping. Alright, so what we're doing is going away because the car ain't moving.
In Mexico, all people are like crawling in the dirt.
Oh yeah.
Talk about?
Yeah.
It smells mom. What's that? No, we're just at the pizza parlor. Yeah, he's right here. You want to talk to him? Oh, no, not tonight. I have plans. It's your mom.
You got chocolate chips?
We should probably.
I can make some if you want.
Oh, great. We should probably shut the fuck up.
He's still there. Kenny. Because that's the players.
bad, but it's more like the experience, I guess. I'll try to try to make it brighter in post, but I don't know if that'll do much. Boys, we made it. Train's moving. Yeah, I hear that. We made it on the roof. Like, this experience is crazy. You guys have no idea. This mill. What do you boys think of this up?
What?
It's classic. Matt, Mike, Liz.
It's a madness. I'd agree with Mike.
Miles, what are your thoughts on this up?
It was a good memory.
Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna use the light on the way down. Yeah, that's where I went. Fuck! One of the craziest ops we've ever done. Absolute madness. I am more than pleased with that. It's crazy. We sent.
Stupid, watch your elbow.